So hello friends, I am Malav Patel. I come back with another video with some more and interesting Udemy courses which are available for free, and after that in majority of the courses you will also get the certificate. So in this video I am going to cover about 35 Udemy courses. Yes, you heard it right, 35 Udemy courses which are available for free, and after that you will also get the certificate in majority of the courses. So this video is going to be little bit longer, but I promise you at the end of the video you will get something related to your profession, something related to your hobby. So good video to get the maximum advantage of it. Please watch till the end and you will benefit it like a lot. So without wasting any short of time, let's move to our first course. Our first course is on business intelligence and automated reports. So in this course you will learn about Power BI, how to do data analysis with Power BI, what is business intelligence. So this course is about 5 hours and available for free for 19 hours, and this course is comprises of 33 lectures. You will get the links of all the courses in the description. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is about PHP Bootcamp. So in this course you will learn about what is PHP, and you will make your own blog. You will able to make your own CMS system. So good course about 14.5 hours, available for free for 2 days and comprises of 74 lectures. In this video you are going to get some assignments to understand the concept very easily and quickly. So more than 30,000 students enroll for it. You will also get the benefit of it. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on complete Angular course. In this course you will learn about build a web application using Angular 4 and Angular 5. So this is a 3 hours course, available for free for 2 days, and after that you will also get the certificate. This course is comprises of 39 lectures. In this course you will get 2 practical tests and 4 downloadable resources also. Our next course is on Python, also on Python course. So in this course you will learn about the basics and core concepts of Python programming. You will learn how to design, create, develop and code Python games. So this is a good course for those who want to learn Python programming, who want to develop their career in Python programming. So good course about 14 hours along with 2 downloadable resources, comprises of 70 lectures and available for free for 2 days. What you have to do, you just have to click the link in my description and press the enroll now button, and you will get the course for free. You don't have to pay anything, you will get the courses for free. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on PowerPoint 2013. So in this course you will learn about how to work confidentially with PowerPoint. You will learn about how to create and deliver powerful presentation. You will learn about how to insert shapes, objects and tables in your presentation. So this is a good 3-hour course, available for free for 2 days, and this course is comprises of 22 lectures. For this course you will need the Office 2013 and any version above it. So let's move to our next course. Our next course is on personality development. In this course you will learn how you can become a learning machine, how you can discover your genius and maximize your potential. So in this course you will learn how the human mind and brain function. You will learn about how to create learning habits. You will learn new things at very high level. So this is a good 3-hour course, available for free for 2 days. In this course you will also get 1 hour audio and 3-hour video. So this course is about 58 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on complete 3i time management productivity core system. So in this course you will learn about how you can structure your day very effectively, how you can increase your productivity to get more things done in less time. So this is 1.5 hour course, free for 2 days, and this course is comprises of 22 lectures. I have explained it in my all the videos. I explained it here that free for 2 days means you have to enroll for the course within 2 days. Once you enroll for the course for free, you will get the lifetime access. So don't worry, this is not any such requirement that you have to complete the course within 2 days. You just have to enroll for the course for 2 days. After 2 days you will have to pay the certain amount of money to get enrolled for the course. Now let's move to our next course. So our next course is also again on productivity. In this course you will learn how the fundamentals, how to apply the fundamental principle of productivity, how you can get more things done and achieve success, how you can understand the principle of productivity. So this is a 4-hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 62 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. Our next course is also on productivity. So I have covered more majority of the courses of productivity which will helpful to you to improve your skills and improve your ability, and you can get more success. So in this course you will learn how to achieve better results on social media, how to discover powerful ways to save your time on social media. So this is a good course for those who want to quit social media or who want to control their timing on related to social media. So this is a good course of about 1 hour available for free for 2 days, and it comprises of 21 lectures. So this is also a good course to get enrolled for a very small course about just 1 hour. Our next course is on financial planning. So in this course you will learn about how you can plan for unexpected emergencies, how you can understand the power of compound interest, how you can grab the opportunities and earn very huge amount of income. So this is a 1 hour course available for free for just 1 day and comprises of only 20 lectures. So this is also a good course for those who want to secure their finance, who want to learn about financial planning. So good course to get enrolled for. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on depression and how you can recover from depression, and how you can learn about the concepts of depression. So in this course you will learn how the uh, depression works, how you can reduce your depression, how you can avoid it, how what is depression and stroke risk, how the importance of decluttering in your mind. So this is a good 7-hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 26 lectures. So this is a good course for those who want to get rid of the depression, who want to get out of the depression, and this is a good course to for so this is a good course to get enrolled for if you face any of such problems. So this is a good course to get enrolled for, and after that you will get the certificate also. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on diversity and inclusion. In this course, you are going to learn about how you can implement various diversified policies in your organization, how you can tackle uh, gender bias, how you can adopt diverse path, and you will achieve technology leadership. So this is a good course of just 1 hour available for free for 2 days and comprises of only 6 lectures. So this is a very new course, only 1000 around 1500 students get enrolled for it, and no ratings are available, but you can get enrolled for this course. This is a good course. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on basics of mathematics. So I included this course because I personally like this course. I have watched this course from my second id. I love this course, so I recommend you. This is a 45-minute course about how you can understand the basics of mathematics. In this course you will learn about HCF and LCM. You will learn about fraction simplification. You will learn about average ratio, percentage equation, and algebraic identities. So this is a good course. After that you will not get certificate, but this is a good course to get enrolled for. This is about 45 minutes, so it will worth it. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on public speaking. So this is a good course who want to teach their kids about public speaking, so they can enroll for the course. This is just a 40-minute course available for free for 2 days and comprises of only 23 lectures, and after that you will get the certificate. So this is a good course if you want to teach your kid something new, you want your kid becomes a confident public speaker, so you can get the benefit of this course. Our next course is on MS Excel. In this course you will learn about the basics of Excel, how Excel works, how you can properly use it, how you can build easy apps with Excel. So this is a 3-hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 19 lectures, and after that you will get the certificate also. So this is a good course for those who want to start their career in Excel, who want to learn Excel. And now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on TikTok growth. So in this course you will learn about latest tips and tricks, that you can increase your followers, how you can do the TikTok marketing. So in this course you will learn about how to use analytics to get TikTok growth, in-depth analysis of your own viral videos. You will learn how to platform a step-by-step walkthrough. So this is a good 1 hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 32 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on introduction to using Git. So in this course you will learn about Git, also you will learn about GUI and CLI. So this is a good course to get enrolled for 2 hours. Course available for free for 2 days. In this course you will learn how you can store web projects on GitHub and Bitbucket. So this is a good course to get enrolled for only 34 lectures, and after that you will get the certificate. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on JavaScript. So majority of the people demanded me the courses related to Java programming and JavaScript. So this course you will get enrolled for. So if you want to learn the JavaScript, in this course you will get 7 hours video, and this course is free for 2 days and comprises of 77 lectures. In this course you will learn about arrays in JavaScript, objects in JavaScript, what is functions, what is basic syntax of JavaScript, etc. So this is a good course to get enrolled for. Our next course is on how to become a game artist, designer or developer. So in this course you will learn how you can start and succeed in gaming industry. Gaming industry is now a very much developing industry. So this is a good course who want to learn about gaming industry. Only about 1.5 hour course available for free, and in this course you will learn how the tools and softwares which will help to you for game development, how to create games without writing a single line of code. So no coding language is required for this course. How you can create the games for love or for the money also. So this is a good course. After that you will not get certificate, but still I like this course, so I have included this course in my video. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on how to easily resell books on Amazon. So in this course you will learn how you can resell books on Amazon for profit, how you can procure cheap books, how you can make money to by flipping the books, how you start remote business from your computer. So this is a good course. In this course you will learn about online arbitrage also. This course is about 4 hours and available for free for 1 day and comprises of 15 lectures. I have included this course in my any other previous video. I don't know exactly, but I have included this course, but I have included this again because you will get benefit of it. So now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Chinese writing. In this course you will learn how to write any Chinese character in correct stroke and order. In this course you will learn about 160 characters. Also you will learn about 300 vocabularies. So this is a good course who want to learn Chinese, who want to write Chinese. So 2 hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 11 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. So this is a good course who want to learn Chinese. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on professional technical writing. In this course you will learn how you can create a good value written communication, good valuable written communication, how you can apply the business writing skill, how you can prepare the reports and proposal. You will apply the 4 C's by making your writing clear, complete, conscious and correct. So this is a big 11-hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 192 lectures. So this is a good course who want to learn about professional writing. In this course you will get 10 courses in one course, and you will earn in 6 digit if you understand the concept of the course and implement it correctly. Now let's move to our next course. So our next course is on top Linux interview question and answer. In this course you will learn about the questions related to Linux, introduction to Linux, how you can overview some common Linux commands. So this is also a good course of 3.5 hours, available for free for 1 day, and comprises of 15 lectures. So this is a good course for those who want to get the job in Linux, who might have their interview in this the topic of Linux is covered. So this is a good course for them, and after that you will get the certificate also. Our next course is on Salesforce Paradot Lightning app. So in this course you will learn how you can ready to start using Salesforce app and set up and run simple marketing campaigns, how you can learn about what Paradot is, how this can help you in your job and sales for marketing agent. So this is a good course for those who are sales agents who want to start their career in selling. About 2.5 hour course, available for free for 1 day, and comprises of 16 lectures. So good course who want to develop their career in as a sales agent. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is how you can finance your startup. So in this course you will learn about basic elements of running any business or startup. You will learn about business plan, funding, pricing, revenue for new business and startup. So this is a good course about of just 1 hour, and this is free for 1 day and comprises of 25 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. So this is a good course for the startup founders, and it will help them a lot. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is about how you can find and close clients for social media marketing very fast. So in this course you will learn about marketing email script, free consultation call script, contract script, cold call script, mindset for success, etc. So this is a 2 hour course, available for free for just 1 day, and this comprises of 11 lectures. So this is a good course who want to learn about social media marketing, how they can find and retain high ticket clients for their agency, and they can cut the competition. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on SAP ERP. In this course you will learn about how you can become a SAP certified consultant. So this is a good course for those who want to learn the SAP. In this course you will not require any prior SAP knowledge. If you have no knowledge, then also you can learn for the you can learn the SAP from very beginning. So this is a 8.5 hour course, available for free for 2 days, and comprises of 176 lectures. So this is also a good course to get enrolled for. In this course you will learn about SAP from very scratch to an advanced level. Now let's move to our next course. In this course you will learn how to master interview skills in 1 hour. So in this course you will learn about the personal situation and the best practices, how you can communicate with HR and resource manager, how you can interview with completely and per- persuasively. So this is a good course of about 1 hour, available for free for 1 day, and comprises of 33 lectures. So this is also a good course to get enrolled for if you have if you want to give a good interview, if you want to take the job in your uh, desired company. Our next course is on React Beginners Bootcamp. In this course you will learn about basics of React, forms of React, flux and animation, and you will learn about components and states. So this is a 38-minute very short course, available for free for just 10 hours. So be quick and get enrolled for it fast, and it comprises of 5 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. In this course you will require the some basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you will require that tools also. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on FMEA and RCM failure mode, risk management and fundamentals. So this is a good course who want to learn about this. You want to learn about FMEA and RCM risk management models. 3.5 hour course, available for free for just 10 hours, and in this course you will get the 31 lectures. So you have to enroll for the course within 10 hours. After you enroll, you will get the lifetime access. You can access these courses from mobile or from your desktop or from TV, etc. So this is a good course to get enrolled for. Our next course is on social media marketing. In this course you will learn about how to do social media campaigns, how to attract, how to get more targeted audience, how to reach to the more people. In this course you will learn about why you need to do social media marketing. So this is a good course of 2 hours, available for free for 1 day, and comprises of 17 lectures. So this is a good course for those who want to increase their business, and it is also a good course for those who want to learn about social marketing. Now let's move to our last course. Our last course is on drawing and painting on the iPad. So in this course you will learn about how you can learn the drawing or painting in iPad, and this is a 2.5 hour course, available for free for 1 day, and comprises of 21 lectures. So if you want to learn something creative, if you want to learn something new, then you can get enrolled for the course. In this course you will learn how you can become a good painter with Apple Pencil and iPad. So this is a good course to get enrolled for. In this course you will also get 8 downloadable resources. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you love my work. If you love my work, then please like the video, please comment on it you how you love the video. Please, if you don't like something, then please also say me on comment that how can I improve my voice, etc. Please comment, please like, please subscribe my channel. I have constantly uploading the videos related to free Udemy courses, and also on the other platform which are available, which are providing free education. So please stay tuned with my channel. Please like the video, and also make sure to press the bell icon so you will never miss any courses, and you will get the maximum advantage of it.